Okay. First things first. I have your permission to complete this video, yes?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. All right. So what do you know about our solar system?
there are 9 or 8 planets, depending on how you count them.
Okay. Anything else?
There's 4 on the inner solar system and 5 on the outer solar system on the other side of the asteroid belt.
Okay, that's great. Is there anything else that you know about our solar system you'd
Nope.
like to share? Okay. So what else do you know about our planets? You said that there are 9 and sometimes 8, depending on which way a person wants to look at it. So anything else that you'd like to add about your knowledge about our planets?
You have your gas giants, and you have your regular planets.
Okay. So what I want you to do is visualize our solar system from images that you may have seen in books or on TV. Can you do that?
Yep.
Okay. Will you describe the image that comes to mind of our solar system and the planets?
The image that comes to mind is all of them in a row with the sun at the end and the farthest planet at the other end.
Okay, great. So the planets are in line, like you said, in a line in order. And so that's what we're going to learn today is I'm going to help you put or remember the order of the planets. So first, I'm going to have you fill out this pre-assessment. And your directions are on top. So on the lines below, fill out the order of the planets. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, so you got 4 out of 4 for the order. You listed all the correct names of the planets, which is great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a strategy to remember the order of the planets. So the strategy that I'm going to teach you is called a mnemonic device. And when we use a mnemonic device, we're pairing information that we already know with information to be learned, essentially. So I'll go ahead and have you, or I will write down and I'll share it with you and then I'll have you pair it. So the mnemonic that I have is my very eager mother just served us nachos. So I will have you write down what each mnemonic goes with each planet. So for example, my is going to go with Mercury. So if you want to write down Mercury next to my. And then very goes with Venus. Eager, Earth. Mother is Mars. Jupiter for just. Saturn with served. And Uranus for us. And Neptune with nachos. So notice for this mnemonic that each letter in the mnemonic that we have, my very eager mother just served us nachos, is associated with the beginning letter of all the planets. Yes?
Yep.
Okay. Now, there are 2 M's, Mercury and Mars. So 2 of the planets begin with the letter M. So the way I differentiated that for you is to use the word my, which ends with the letter Y, and associate that with Mercury, which also ends in the letter Y. That way you can differentiate between the two M's that are in the list of planets. So my very eager mother just served us nachos. So you can rehearse that in your head, or you can say it out loud. But I'm going to now test your knowledge with a post-assessment after having the mnemonic.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready, you can let me know.
I'm ready.
Okay. So I'll take that away. And now on this paper, if you would please order the planets. Great. That time you got 8 out of 8. So the mnemonic seemed to work.
Yep, that was helpful.
That's good. You also wrote them faster than the pre-assessment, so I'm assuming it was better for you. Well, thank you, Daniel, for your time and helping me with this video.
Thanks.